Right now, as you watch this, millions of Android devices are broadcasting invisible vulnerabilities that any Kali Linux user can see with the right terminal commands. You've seen the movies where a few keystrokes grant total access to a remote device, the camera, the messages, the live location, all without ever touching the target phone or knowing a single password. This isn't just movie magic, it is the reality of the digital architecture we carry in our pockets. But here is the secret that the pro hackers don't want you to know. The window of opportunity is closing, and if you don't understand the remote handshake protocol, you are essentially locked out of the most powerful operating system on the planet. Stay exactly where you are, because in the next few minutes, we are deconstructing the high-level framework of remote Android infiltration using the industry-standard Kali Linux environment. Before we go deeper into the terminal, I have to ask you, if you had the power to see what's happening on any screen right now, would you use it for good, or are you just curious about the chaos? Drop a comment below and let me know your ethics, because things are about to get very real. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not advise anyone to use the information in this video to infiltrate someone's privacy or commit any illegal acts. Understanding these methods is vital for cybersecurity defense, not for unauthorized access. Do not forget that if you need more resources and help, you should check the pinned comment or video description for details right now. To begin this process, you need to understand that Kali Linux doesn't just guess a password. We are looking for a persistent connection. Most people think you need physical access or a rooted device, but that is a beginner's mistake. By utilizing a specific payload generator within the Metasploit framework, a seasoned user can craft a digital signature that mimics a standard system update. When this signature is broadcasted over a remote frequency, or hidden within a seemingly innocent file, the Android kernel identifies it as a trusted source. This is the no-root bypass. It exploits the way Android handles background permissions. If you find this level of detail fascinating, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Fastest Fix so you never miss a deep dive into the world of digital security. Now, once the payload is generated, the next step is the listener. In your Kali terminal, you aren't just typing code, you are setting a trap. By configuring a multi-handler, your machine becomes a silent receiver, waiting for that one specific handshake from the target IP. This is where the remote aspect comes into play. It doesn't matter if the device is in the next room or in another country. As long as there is a data path, the connection is possible. Think about the power of a reverse TCP connection. Instead of you trying to break into the phone actually reaches out to your Kali machine and invites you in. Why do you think so many people are moving away from traditional SMS and toward encrypted apps? Is it because they wasn't understand? Is it because of das diggedia beiden an dia der na per nerverbidon nisher dia is the day and the wall d and bide spalens closing in. Tell me in the comments what you think the most secure app is right now. As we move into the execution phase, the strategy shifts to persistence. A one-time connection is useless if it drops the moment the user closes an app. Real mastery involves migrating the process into the system's memory. This is the Ghost protocol. By hiding the active session inside a core system process like the com.android.system UI, the connection becomes invisible to the standard task manager. You are essentially a ghost in the machine. You aren't just watching, you are part of the operating system itself. If you're getting value from this breakdown, share this video with someone who thinks their phone is 100% unhackable. They might need the wake-up call. The final layer of this strategy involves the post-exploitation modules. Once the session is established and persistent, the Kali interface provides a suite of tools that can dump call logs, download images, or even stream the microphone in real time. But remember, the goal of understanding this isn't to do it, it's to prevent it from happening to you. By knowing how the no-password bypass works, you can see the signs of a compromised device before it's too late. Most users never notice the slight battery drain or the minor increase in data usage that signals a remote session is active. Staying informed is your only real firewall in 2026. Make sure you've subscribed to Fastest Fix for more high-level strategy and security breakdowns. Check those links in the description for the extra help we talked about, and I'll see you in the next one.